subscribers. It is April 17th, 2022. It's about 6 in the evening, a little later than normal. Happy Easter. I've been out doing Easter things with my family. Got back in and thought I'd pump out the market roadmap watch list for the week here. So let's jump into her and see where we're at. So I kind of, again, reviewed some of the past lists from February and kind of developed this list right here. First off, Apple pulling back. We may see a move back into this roadmap line here. This is going to be support. This is what to watch. This pullback right down into there. It's not a big pullback. Just could be a little bit more. And then we could see a healthy bounce. Now, the levels to watch, we've got this prior high right over here coming across where it tried to break above and couldn't. Tried second time, lower high, couldn't do it. So what we need to see now is a firm move back up through there, through those prior highs. Now we also need to move over the target here. So 192 and 203 are going to be our upside on Apple here. But we need to see it break firmly back above this 786 resistance and these prior highs here. And then once we get there, first target, and then next target up there. You know, as you can see, that could take, that could easily take us through May. So AVGO coming right down to the line. This one's a little ahead of Apple. So last time we had a nice bounce right up to the 786 resistance. Again, tried to break above that resistance line that I drew on here. Got above for one day and then faded right back out. And then right back down to the roadmap line. So what we've got right now is that we're looking for a bounce here. A bounce back up in here. Aggressive, probably something around the 607 area. But conservative is going to be looking for a move back above this prior high that it just made in March. But we're looking for a move out to 722, 778. These could be some pretty, that's a pretty sizable move right there. So, and that again could take well into the summer, if not even further. It could be a flatter run here that takes well into the fall on AVGO. BP still looking really good. Really nice move up through that prior high on Friday. Still looking for a move on up. Let's change the fib lines out to actually be accurate here. So coming up just into the 618 level here. We need to see it poke right on up through here, get a daily close up in here. And then we can expect it to keep on moving out to 36 or 38 on the upside here. Now you can watch for another breakdown and bounce back at the roadmap line, but I'm not sure that we're going to see that at this point. Just not sure. Could happen, but I think this retrace here was probably all we'll get before we have the next run up here. M just keeps hanging in here. We've got a lower high and a higher low. Still looking for it to break these highs coming across here. It's more of a zone at this point. It's made all these topping highs right in here where it just can't sustain a move in there. Need a break up through there. Been looking for it for, this one's just keeps hanging on the list. A nice solid move up above, this 2880 level. Heck, 2850 level is going to be, this is going to really set it up to break out higher. So that's what we got on Macy's. And then this one's interesting here. WY. So we've got this high from February, this low that happened in February, just like a week apart, really, or 2 weeks apart, I guess. From the 9th to the 24th. Then we've kind of gone sideways a little bit, finding resistance at the 618. So what we need to see, daily close up in this area around 41-ish, plus or minus a little bit. And then we could possibly get this breakout. We do have the resistance at 43, always the resistance at prior highs, for the whole list here. And then potentially we get this breakout to 44.80 or 47. Could be definitely some nice upside on WY. So keep an eye on that one. Set some alerts in this area here. We start getting some daily close that doesn't just get rejected back. That could be a nice runner. All right, that's going to do it for the watch list for the week. A little shorter than we've had for several weeks. Apple, AVGO, BP, M, and WY. A few repeats, but these are the best ones out of some of the ones from February. So thanks for watching. Remember, if you're watching this on YouTube and it's not 4/17/22 or that week, if you subscribe to the Market Roadmap, you can get this watch list the week I put it out. And these may have prime setups in here. Now, a lot of these in the past have just taken off and given no pullback chance to get in. So these can be some hot setups here. So thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe it, and keep following. If you got questions, hit me up in Discord, and I'll do my best to answer. Thanks, everybody. I'll see you again next week.